Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy 4000 and 9000 BTU heater. Now this is a portable heater. They are very popular. It's always kind of at the top of the game when it seems like portable heaters are concerned. We bought it and I used it a few times and I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons. But first of all, let's just go down the numbers on this thing and tell you what you can expect from this. So it's a 4000 to 9000 BTU heater, which is 4000 on low, 9000 on high, and it has a heavy duty handle, low and high heat settings, reinforced wire guard on the front, radiant tiles, and it heats up to 225 square feet. Now that's equivalent to a 15 by 15 room, and you don't need any electricity. It says it'll do up to 5.4 hours of runtime with a 1 pound cylinder. What it doesn't tell you is that's on low. If you put it on high, you're going to get half of that. It says 108 hours with a 20 pound tank. Now that it does say on low. So you're going to get about half of that if you put it on high. And one of the things about this heater is it is easy to light. Great for short bursts of heating. It's not going to be good for a long-term heating situation. The tanks that you use to put on the side of this, the portable 1 pound propane tanks, are anywhere from $6 to $10 each, depending on where you get them and the time of the year you get them. So let's just say $6. Now, the reason we were looking at this is because we do some hunts and we put these in our blinds, and we do some hunts with some kids or some disabled veterans. And with that, you want to make sure that they stay warm and comfortable. The thing about this heater with us is once it's on low, it does a lot of spitting and sputtering. So when you're in the stand and you're hunting and it's very quiet, it's kind of loud and obnoxious with the spitting and sputtering. And one way I got away from that was I kind of cheated it a little bit, pushed down and went over towards medium high, and it went away. But then not long after that, it started coming back again. And even when I put it over towards high, it was still kind of spitting and sputtering. Now, I think if you're in a room that's 15 by 15 and you have it over in a corner, or you're camping or whatever, you're not really going to notice that. If you're in a quiet hunting environment, you will notice that it spits and sputters on low. And I would think that it would do that as the bottle is running out, and that's to be expected. But it did it from the first time I used it with a full bottle. It would sputter on low. For us, it just doesn't quite fit the application that we were looking for as far as a hunting situation. It's pretty lightweight. It's a really good, solid heater. The only thing is on low is it spits and sputters. So, Mr. Heater, if you're watching this, if you could square that away with it spitting and sputtering and being obnoxious on low and get that to smooth out, man, this would be a bang up heater. And if you have one of these, feel free to leave in the comments how you like it, what it does for you, if you use it for hunting or if you just use it, for camping or around your house or something. Just let us know what your thoughts are. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good one.